don't even know how I'm going to pay for that. My hotel.
Where's the POS?
He said there. Yo, me don't worry. What's up? You take a mass. I think I will go not to make it.
Yeah, I don't see it. All right, there, man.
Look at beer.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, a lot of it. Yeah. That's what I need. That's what I need.
They are starting doing a cashless policy here. We'll get a POS here.
Well, let's go.
Hold on.
Street's clear.
Okay.
Yeah, now's the time.
Hold on. And now if we get POS. Come. Okay, look. We want to pay cash into our account. Okay.
How much?
You transfer 20,000.
You give me cash check about
Yes.
transfer to
Yes.
200.
And I give you cash when you want to do business. Why not?
It's business.
100 naira. I'll give
No,
you.
it's because it's 20,000.
Now 150.
If it is, let me tell you, if it is 10,000,
You do a speak
it's
English.
200.
You do a speak
Then
English.
it's because it's 20,000, that's why I want to collect that 200. I will
Forget
still
English
use
when
the
you
cash
dey
to
speak.
use. Where the charges on that?
I dey speak pidgin English with you.
I don't hear.
You speak English.
Now my charges with that.
Now
200
150.
naira. I know they collect.
Oh, yeah, go on now.
Where the cash?
Bring it. Okay. Can you know what you talk?
I said I don't want to get you still carry control.
Where I give you
That's
business.
why you no one release the money at all.
Hello? Hey, my power bank.
Where'd you leave it?
In the Uber.
No complete.
In the car?
The
Oh.
money where I can't bring up. I can't count.
Yeah, you can't once. Nah, I used to count 2 times.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19.
You are short.
Don't worry, I'll 500. Good. Actor. Why they look me like that?
Yeah.
Why they look me like that?
Oh yeah, account number.
8064
6.
64
No, I never go to America before.
8064 000 163 OP.
Then you run over along with your food.
I love you, Yoruba.
Ebenezer, you work at it.
Delta man.
I don't. Your girlfriend, I said you just.
You the fine boyfriend? Why you say if you be my girlfriend?
Yeah.
Yes, now.
Eh?
Say, you don't put dash me the charges where I talk. So
Okay.
if I can't be your girlfriend, go to spend for me.
Maybe I'll not spend that time watch.
Yep.
I gotta call that Uber guy.
Yeah, you got to get your power bank. Yeah.
Oh, I left it at the counter here.
You might have done that too. Well, what you can't see here is how bad some of this stuff smells.
Yes, man.
Here we got a spot.
From here, we're going to do a video at Chopper. We're going to laugh at this
Oh, yeah.
thing. You're going to see a lot of character.
We gotta get more money though, so we can have some beers.
Huh?
We gotta get some more money though, so we can have some beers.
So we need to go and get more money. I didn't get you. Huh?
We need more money so we can have a beer when we get to ShopRite. I'm running out.
ShopRite is not far from you.
Yeah, well, yeah, I know.
We can go to ShopRite and spend more time, then go back to your friend. We need to cross.
Yeah, but how? I mean, I'm almost out of money now. That's what I brought with.
Don't worry. Let me see what I have. But you see this dollar? I'm not ready to change it now. You know why?
Yeah, because you don't want to spend it.
Yeah. $100 there is going to pay the kids' school fees because
Yeah.
they are resuming by first week of May.
Okay.
God bless you and your wife. That's settled. Then I have to look for an extra money to add to the other $100 to get the things from Worry. So
Yeah.
you see where I kept it.
Yeah.
So I
Oh,
still
yeah.
have some money with
Oh,
me.
you still got some. Okay. Okay.
We're supposed to. This is the only place.
Should we cross right here? Right now. Look at this. And we got an open.
Hold on. You run.
How you doing?
Yeah.
Yep.
If it's street, I'll start shouting.